welcome back to Binkerbelle's Yarning. It is Tuesday, which means it is Tutorial Tuesday. However, due to some unforeseen circumstances and my need for perfection, I did not do the blog that I was talking about yesterday, simply because I got it done and I hated it. It was a hideous mess. So I pulled it all out and this is the blog now. Anyways, so we're actually going to be doing a different blog. I'll post the instructions for it in a second. So yeah, that's fun. But I will add an extra block. I'll post the block that, or show you guys the block that I have the instructions for next week, and I'll also do a quick tutorial on how to do it for those of you that need to or prefer to follow along, as opposed to reading the pattern directions. So hang in, 2 blocks next week. See what else. Oh yes, the flash giveaway from yesterday. Those names will pop up. So if y'all could just give me a quick email with your name and address so that I can send them out to you as soon as possible. I do have packages going out today, so hopefully I can get yours in that group. Otherwise, it'll have to be tomorrow. Oh yes, one other thing. Yesterday, when we did the Manic Monday with the tattoos, I made a mistake in the gentleman's name from Creative Pain. His name is actually Matt, not Mike. I did know that. Unfortunately, I just have really bad thing with names. I have big problems. Anyways, so don't forget that Thursday is our Nifty Things Thursday, and I've got something completely different for you guys. So that's going to be fun. And tomorrow, we're actually going to be talking about knitting and crochet as therapy. So that's a subject that's actually very close to me, and we'll get into more detail with that next week. All right, so have a great Tuesday, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.